Marie Curie, bite-sized information birth and amp. Family. Born on November 7, 1867 in Warsaw. Her father was a physics/mathematics teacher, and her mother was the headmistress of a girls' boarding school. She lost her sister and mother at a young age. Education and amp. Early life. Since women were banned from attending university in Poland under Russian rule at the time, she studied at secret Polish schools. After working and saving money, she moved to Paris in 1891, studied physics and mathematics at the Sorbonne University, and graduated at the top of her class. Marriage and amp. Scientific discoveries. She married Pierre Curie, a fellow scientist, in 1895. By researching uranium and thorium radiations, she coined the term radioactivity. In 1898, she and Pierre Curie discovered two new elements resulting from uranium decay: polonium, named after Curie's homeland, Poland, and radium. Nobel Prizes. She shared the 1903 Nobel Prize in Physics with her husband Pierre Curie and Henri Becquerel for their work on radioactivity. She won the 1911 Nobel Prize in Chemistry for her achievements in the discovery and isolation of radium and polonium. Wartime contributions. During World War I, she developed portable X-ray vehicles, little Curies/petites Curies, to support surgeons behind the front lines. Alongside her daughter Irene, she taught young women and healthcare workers how to use radiology equipment, enabling the treatment of over 1 million wounded soldiers. Death and amp. Legacy. She passed away on July 4, 1934, from aplastic anemia, blood cancer, due to years of unprotected exposure to high doses of radiation. Because of her monumental achievements, her remains were moved to the Pantheon, France's national mausoleum, in 1995. Today, her work and notebooks carry such extreme radiation that they can only be examined in lead-lined boxes and with protective clothing. Marie Curie's historical first woman to win a Nobel Prize. First scientist to win 2 Nobel Prizes, and currently the only woman to win in 2 different fields. First woman to teach and become a professor at Sorbonne University, 1908. First woman in France to receive a PhD in an advanced scientific field. First woman to be buried in the Pantheon based on her own achievements.